and welcome to my channel. My name is Shash. In today's video we are going to look at 5 interesting facts about nature. Let's get straight to the video, shall we? Fact number 1. Green waters. 85% of plant life is found in the ocean, and the Amazon forest has the maximum amount of vegetation. Fact number 2. Wonders of oxygen. Not only does it enable animals to live, oxygen can also turn a lobster's colorless blood to blue when exposed to oxygen. Fact number 3. One of the most dangerous yet interesting fact about nature is that around 3/4 of the increase in CO2 levels from human activity over the last 20 years has come from the burning up of various fossil fuels. Fact number 4. The bark of the willow tree was the original source of making aspirin. Fact number 5. Flamingos can only eat with their head upside down. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.